Keyok.
Paano masabi ako maging murderer next round?
Because.
How can you say?
Because Keyok. Said.
How could you? How could you do that to me?
Anong ginagawa ni Keyok sa aking laro?
Why?
Biglang umalis dun sa Roblox. Pumunta sa Google.
Yeah, you're God.
Di pa. Buti
No.
mabilis ako. Bro,
No.
Johnny come here can play. Yep, you're murderer. No doubt. No doubt.
Are you following me?
Yes, doubt. Yes, doubt.
You're the murderer.
No, you are.
May gumagaya ng damit at buhok mo.
Di ba?
May gumagaya ng damit at buhok mo. Ito, gumagaya ng damit at buhok mo. Kamatin ko! But richer than you. Ata. Based on my statistics, you're the best in this server.
Excuse me. Little boy. Pinagkaan mo na.
Okay, workplace.
Murderer ka kasi node.
No.
Murderer ka kasi node.
How dare you? Don't talk to me.
Ba't ganito yung aking avatar?
What does he have a good hat?
Hindi ko sa dito pa. Ha? Yung laziest.
Wow! I swear, oh my God.
Ho! You're murderer. You're murderer.
What are you talking about?
You're murderer. You're murderer. You're murderer.
Oh my God, why? How?
You're murderer. I know it. I saw that you're murderer. See, Lil Johnny's prediction is true.
Oh! Yes! I have a great aim now. But where are you?
Great.
Ba't ako nag-first person? Ba't ako nag-first person?
Great name.
Ba't ako nag-first person? Mas mga idea naman nun.
Ha?
Mas mga idea mag-first person.
Great name.
Oh, that gun is ugly.
Si Keyok. Ano kayang ginagawa ni Keyok?
Ilan yung napatay ko?
Hindi ko alam.
We're two friends online and she's scared. Yeah. I never mind. Kill the zombie. Oh, someone's better than you.
Oh, it's okay. Isabel Lauren.
Oh my God. Meron siyang
Batwing.
complete yung set niya ng flower wood.
Flower wood?
At may heart blade.
Hindi talaga.
Complete, may set siya ng heart ng flower wood. Gun and
Kasi
knife.
kailangan ng effect, pero wala siya. Eh di hindi yung full set. Yes. You're sheriff, by the way.
Huh? What? Oh, he's the murderer.
You are. What's you thinking about?
Oh, dead.
Oh, it's blue guy. Blue demon. Blue demon is murderer.
You tell them.
Blue demon. Blue demon! Please spare me. Spare me something.
Ayan.
Yes, that's blue demon.
Hindi ako nalapitan ng blue demon.
Oh, na lang. Blue demon is racist.
Loves you. Oh, nag-live na naman. Bakit lagi na lang? Ask me.
Blue demon.
Why?
Because blue demon is racist.
It's working at you. Yeah, I
Hindi
know.
pa pinatay yung black, but white. Targeter. Ew. What? The murderer wasn't blue demon? What a shame.
Ba't daw di ako pinatay ng blue demon?
What?
Kaya ko gaya itong blue demon na to. I have everything I have.
I have everything I have. Oo nga, nandali.
I mean, I have everything he has. I'm going to my base. I'm claiming it. It's not yours anymore.
Oh.
Dailik, give me the code. Dailik. Oh no.
Broken.
Okay.
Because you're a hacker.
Ooh, nice one.
You're murderer, Sheriff.
Ang ganda ng gun. Anong gun? No knife. I love the horns.
I'm gonna die right now.
Oh, no, he's twirling now. Run.
Ah!
Woo! Sino murderer?
Nandun sa basement yun.
Ayun, kitang-kita ko.
Nasaan?
Hindi ko sabihin sa'yo. Figure it out yourself.
Okay.
This blue demon. Oh, no. No. Pero alam mo yung kailangan ko dito. Sige, pwede yung patayin pag nakompleto ko na yung pera ko. Mamatay kayo dyan. Ayaw ko mag-share. Ayaw ko kumuha ng gas.
Present, please.
Ayaw ko.
Present.
Oh, no.
Si present, please. Papunta dun. Sabi mo. Papunta dun.
Oh, no.
Papunta dun. Left.
How?
Si Kayok na lang at si
How?
Johnny. Kayok.
How? How?
How?
How? Why? How? How? Ang layo ko sa kanya. Ano ka? Buhay ka pa? Yay. Ang sa sheriff. Yung sheriff.
Hindi ko alam. I know it's Kayok. Kayok.
Ganyan.
Si Chocolate. Baldi the basics.
Mga hacker nga naman. Oh, left. Nag-left siya at na yun yung goon. May ginaman. Okay, nagpunta sa secret hideout yung bahay ko dapat. Na sana ako magtatago. Present sprays at yun yung goon. Nasa basement.
Yeah, basement is yours.
At
Little Johnny Care, nagtatago lang.
hacker. Okay, another round. Most hated roll. Don't touch me. Hate my life.
Why? You're murderer. Nope, you're not murderer. The murderer.
Yay!
You're,
Yay! Teabag! Teabag!
you're the sheriff, right?
Teabag! Teabag!
You're the sheriff, right?
That was fast.
You're the sheriff, right? Yep.
Teabag!
I
Teabag!
knew it. Sheriff or
Teabag!
murderer.
Teabag!
Kasunod niya na.
Finally, I want a sherry.
Kasunod niya na. Ano ba? Ew! Baby! The baby!
Anak mo yan?
No! Ew!
Ba't may dalawa? Ayoko na.
Ew! Kasama pa yung si Lil Janik.
Ano yan?
Baka yung nanay.
Like a Jim, tinatak mo yung nanay. Anak mo yan, Jim.
Ew!
Anak mo yan.
Oh, ew! It's the blue demons. The murderer.
The Blue Demon's child.
Murderer innocent. That's fine.
Cross your mouth. Hey, girl.
I just know it.
I'm heading with her.
Kill the baby.
But this is a good spot.
Kill the babies.
This is a good hiding spot.
Kill the babies because you're the murderer.
Ang ganda ng hiding spot ko. Napunta dito. Ata. Uy, may. Yay.
No, the baby. The baby's baby.
Do you mean? Check muna ako ng mga stuff ko kahit ako'y mahirap lang sa MM2. Hindi ako kasi bigyan ng isa dyan.
Diba? May apoy yung murderer. Gawa ng tunog. Sizzling bacon.
Hindi, bibili pa lang ang effect para di mo na oh! Ikaw yung murderer. Thank you, sheriff.
Sige,
But before you went and lost your mind. Heartblade.
Si Isabella.
Well,
Trick shot. GG!
okay, nag-range quit si Isabella.
Yung mga baby.
Oh, well.
Si Kay at si Witch.
Check lang ako ng mga inventory na kung sino-sino. Sana all may palms, nice. At may radioactive effect. Para naman ako stickers laang. Ano effect mo?
Yung mga bago.
Trade akong effect sa'yo.
Hindi kaya. Hindi kaya.
I'm sad.
Pag pwede.
Ba't lagi pinipindot ko?
You're murderer.
Ba't lagi pinipindot ko?
You're murderer.
Check ko kung may effect at...
You're
Tama, meron kang effect. Napakadami. May sunbeam ka pa. Di wow.
You're murderer.
Ano all?
You're murderer.
1,000 yung balls mo.
Ew.
Ano? Ba't kami sabi kung di po 1,000 yung balls mo? Don't touch me.
I'm murderer. Nope. Ano tong hitbox?
Dead ka na.
Ano tong hitbox ay? Tulis.
Yung baby nandito. Rest in peace. Dati ako na mali. Ako nga pa yung cook. Okay, dahil lang pa ni murder. Pinag na yung dalang ba?
Yes.
Mother, how dare!
No.
Sabi ka naman.
I got no
No one.
mercy. Why do I look like that?
First child.
That's my inner demon.
Oy. Tama nga, baka may message dito sa ano na lola. Ipon, sabi nga, baka may tawag gano'n dito. Talaga, sabi niya, paano yung message?
Wala.
Ha?
Meron. Wala. Meron.
Anong
Dugo na.
Okay, tres.
You're a murderer.
Who likes tequila? May coke rin naman dito.
The kill.
May coke dito para sa mga
The
bata.
kill
May coke, may Sprite,
Yep, you will kill now.
may Wilkins, may Wilkins. May Royal.
My will kids.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Nagbebenta na ako ng tequila at juice at ng soft drink. Oh!
That's not allowed.
Of course,
It could be like,
I'm selling some sodas for kids.
oh,
Don't want some? Fine.
but tequila.
Alis na ako sa pwesto ko. Wala namang nabili sa
Ako
akin.
bibili.
Mamatay lang ako.
Ako bibili.
No, you're the murderer.
What? Why did you say that?
I heard you killing someone,
It's the
right?
baby.
Napatay ka ng baby, ano? Talk if you're dead. Oh, you're dead. You're so dead.
It's the baby inside. Outside actually.
Where?
It's the baby.
Oh, no. That's the baby in yellow.
The baby.
Don't touch me! Ugly accident. I'm gonna pretend I dead. Kunyari dead na ako. You swimming?
Trading candy.
Di ba pwede nakaigalan dito? You swimming? Di naman pinupunta ng baby. Hindi naman ako pinansin ng baby. Kala niya patay na ako.
Fourth
Oh,
candy.
binalikan ako ng baby.
Ay, bibigay ko.
Help.
Ay, wave.
Help.
This is a W. Hindi mo na makukuha ng
Help.
dalawa.
May baby dito. Help. Help. Ouch! Hindi ako ng baby.
Same.
Oh well.
I hate babies.
Kulit na ko itong clownfish. Yay.
Si Kay na lang. Mga dalawang baby.
Hmm?
This white.
Okay, baby in yellow one.
Baby.
Is your child.
It's kick zig zig zig. No, ew.
It's your child.
Ew.
Okay.
Scary.
He killed his brother.
Lovely. Lovely.
Hey, lovely. I don't know. But level 26 pa lang ako. Shirt. Patay isang baby.
25. Si Kay.
Isang baby. He's
Adoption
the...
care. For sale. For free.
Adopt me. Right now.
No.
Kiss.
Ew.
Hug. Hug me.
No. I have coconut. You don't.
Fine.
You're murderer.
I'm gonna kill you.
You're murderer.
You dare touch me.
You're murderer. I just know
Don't
it.
touch me.
You're murderer. Ah!
Stay away from me.
Wala naman ako.
In real life.
Why?
Now.
Please.
No, that's cheating. Alam ko siya ka.
Ha?
Alam ko siya ka nagtatanong ka. Yun, may namatay na.
Dito rin kita nasa loob ko pa kayo.
It's their mother.
Oh.
Nandito rin yung sheriff. Oh, dead. Dalawang baby. Ako ko mantibag. Mga galit ka.
I need 500 more to get the ninja pose.
I need balls to get coconut. And
No.
I want to spin this summer 2024 box.
Same.
Right this instance.
I want to get water.
Ano na may extra ka nakuha, Jiros?
Oh,
Ano?
jellyfish.
Can I trade you
Oh,
something?
balloons.
Can I trade you something for your balloons?
Okay.
Finally. Oh wait, but profile. Help.
Huh?
Okay, add items.
Wait, where's...
I wanna trade you my my wonder pool.
Yes. No balloon.
Wait, I don't want that. Sorry. I need some.
Ah!
Oh. Kasi makuha ko rin yung maya.
They're murderer, right?
No.
Instant. Instant. I'm just...
Finally.
Yep, you are.
Kalapit ko lang ikaw eh, kaya alam mo agad. Madaya.
Hindi pala ikaw. Ikaw ba?
Ask yourself. What? Ang tagal nung knife ko mathrow.
Because you're lagging.
Now she's teabagging me. She's taking revenge just because I teabag her. Tinibag ko na ako yung sheriff.
May inner demons.
Pwede mo yung karakter mo.
Why?
It creeps me out.
Why?
Creepy ass. Nung Lunar Fest pa yan nung Adopt Me.
Yes.
Sa thumbnail pa kita.
Yes.
I hate.
The old me is...
Creepy.
No. It's cool. Then I will change my avatar when I die.
Fine. Kapag sheriff ako, ikaw na umabaril kita ko'y mamatay.
Oh!
Why?
Innocent channel.
Why?
Innocent channel.
Oh, I'm gonna
Innocent channel.
go here.
You're innocent.
I'm gonna go here.
You're innocent, right?
Don't talk.
Don't talk to me. Loser niya, mo niya, wanna be.
Oh no, dead. Dead. Kala ko na yung murder.
Oh, pangit ng aim. Thank you. Yes.
Wala akong pwedeng taguan.
Meron na madami.
I just need balls. Stop. I just need balls. Okay.
This is a baka.
Nasa loob ka, ano?
This is a baka.
I can see you.
This is a baka. This is a baka. Yeah. You kind of smell like a baka. Yeah.
Yep, you're outside.
Huh?
Waiting for me.
Yeah.
But I'm never going outside. I can see you through the window.
Where's that Fraser?
You're disgusting.
Why?
Are you gonna buy the ninja ability?
No.
Or the ninja pose? Or the ninja
I see you
pose?
outside.
I'm dead. No, don't touch me.
What dead? I haven't killed you.
Help me, the sheriff.
It's
Help
the
me.
baby. The baby. I killed the baby. Another baby. I'm going to take down one baby again.
Don't baby! How dare you? Baby. How dare you?
The baby hates me.
The baby gonna die.
I will avenge you.
No, don't talk to me. You don't even know. You didn't even debug me. Yay!
T-bag.
I'm jumping.
What?
I'm gonna curse you.
Mag-iibang nga pala.
I'm a witch.
Bye.
I'm a witch.
No!
Don't ever come back.
I'm getting killed!
Don't ever come back. Ever.
You killer!
No. Don't talk to me. Stop rizzling me. I hate Rizzlers, by the way. But I have no choice to stop you. I'm gonna play Skiddy.
What?
Why? Why?
Hindi na ganyan. I swear.
You...
I swear it's not like that now.
Restart na.
You're so brainless.
No, you're a cheater.
You rapist. You goofies.
Cheater, adopt me, cut.
Oh, nag-sheriff pa talaga ako.
Finally.
Yay, I win.
View myself. Profile. View myself. Oh no, I can't. Why?
Me now.
Talk to me. Di mo pwede puti ang statistics mo, ano ba yan?
Ba't naging puti?
Hindi pwede tingnan yung statistics mo dito. Kailangan sa yung iba mo makakita.
Ano statistics?
Don't talk. Don't copy.
Hairy legs. Outline.
Goofy eyeglasses. Bloody. Bloody. Bloody Swedish. Brulee. Why?
Clay.
Why?
Sure, sassy
Why? Why?
Why?
Yung sana lang may Blue Demon. Hindi na siya Blue Demon. Pink Demon na.
Ooh,
Basta may Pink Demon dito. Punta mo na lang yan.
that's not me. Ako yun.
Pink Demon, don't touch me. Disgusting hands.
Red.
I despise your disgusting pink hand. And
Better again! Yes. Joking. Nobody can.
asan yung pasatiragon ko? Dati hindi ako nahanap ni Gyros.
Hindi ko alam eh.
Tama diba hindi ka murder? Don't talk. Don't touch me.
No. We love eating humans.
You know what? I'm gonna end this video now.